Today we are going to discuss about the topic of the elements of writing news. Firstly, start with their introduction of news writing. So, you have gathered the information, done the reporting, you have interviewed all the people involved, the eyewitnesses of the explosion, the police, and etc. And now you have to write the story. You have pages in your notebook of facts, observation quotes. You may have some agency copy, some material from other media. The first thing is to do is stop and think. Do not start writing until you have a plan. Read through all your notes, marking the most important piece of information and the quotes you want to use. The information you have gathered will not have entered your notebook in order to importance. What is less important? To establish a hierarchy of piece of information, and this is where you must think about your audience. Not necessarily what interests you most, but what will interest them. It may not be the same things, and this is where knowledge, having a feeling for understanding your audience is so important. As you share at the blank screen, try to image and the read. In the next, what is news? News basically is the full form is that north, east, west, and south. Basically, news is our very important nowadays. News is information about current events. This may be provided through many different media, word of mouth, printing, postal systems, broadcasting, electronic communication, or through the testimony of observers and witnesses to events. News is something called a hard news or a soft news. To differentiate it from the soft news. Common topics for news reports include world war, government, politics, education, health, environment, economy, business, fashion, and entertainment, as well as athletic events, quickie or unusual events. Government proclamation concerning royal ceremonies, laws, tax, public health, and criminals have been dubbed news since ancient times. Technology and social development, often driven by government communication and sponge networks, have increased the speed with which can spread as well as influence its content. The genre of news, as we know it today, is closely associated with the newspaper. an oral or written report of a past, present, or future event. It should be factual, truthful, accurate, unbiased, and interesting. Because news is nowadays is a very important part for a daily life. Similarly, we can't live without food. Simultaneously, we also can't live without the news. If we don't know about that what is happening in our surroundings, what and how we will live in the society, unless we don't know about the social happenings. So first of all, before doing the breakfast, we have to need the newspaper and the news also. What is the elements of news basically? Elements is news of nowadays is a very important part, because without elements, how we will make a perfect news for the readers and for the audiences. In this, we have a immediacy, proximity, consequences, prominence, drama, conflict, sex, oddity, and so on. If we are talking about the immediacy or timeliness, is an important request of news. A reporter usually places emphasis on the latest angle of an event. The words today and tomorrow are related in most of the news stories. Proximity or nearness refers to geographic nearnesses. Normally, a reader is more interested in an event geographically nearer than the one which has taken places in some remote part of the world. Consequences, a reporter should emphasize the angle of a story that will interest most readers, listeners, or viewers in terms of the consequences. Prominence means persons, places, things, situations known to the public for their weather, social positions, achievements, or previous publicity. The reporter should always add as many prominent names and places in news stories as possible. The more renowned a particular name, place, event, or situation. Next is the drama. It is promotes the value of a news story. A reporter always tries to find picture queer background and dramatic action of its news. Oddity or queerness always helps to make fact interesting. The greater the degree of oddity in the story, the greater it is value as news. Conflict, it is one of the most important of news elements. It is inherent in nearly all news of sports, war, crime, violence, and internal disputes, and in all stories involving differences of opinion. Generally, the news of conflict also involves other news values as drama and oddity, and therefore has an emotional impact, a factor that appeals to many people. In the conflict, this may involve physical or mental conflict man versus man, man versus animals, man versus nature, and man versus himself. Immediacy or nearnesses. This element emphasizes the newest angle of the story. Proximity or nearness. This may refer to geographical nearnesses as well as to nearness of kindship of interest. Prominence. Some people are more prominent than others by reason of wealth, social position, or achievements. Significance. Whether it is significant to the life of an individual is interesting to him. Names. Important names make important news. Also, the more names there are in the story, the better. I'm giving you recently example of the new CM, that is Charanjit Singh Channi, and Captain Amrinder Singh has resigned. Drama. This adds color to the story. The more picture square the background and the more dramatic the action are, the more appealing the story is to the reader. Oddity or unusualness. This refers to strange or unnatural events, objects, persons, and places. Next, romance and adventure. The romance of prominent people make a good news. Romance may also be experienced with other things like the sea, space, and nature. Next is the sex. Sex has always interested men. Stories of sex are usually related to stories of romance, marriage, divorce, and the varied activity of men with women. Progress. The onward or forward march of civilization or the progress of a country is chronicled step by step in the newspaper. Next is the animals. Stories of animals, especially those which talents are good breeding matter because of their human interest values. Number, sweepstakes number, vital statistics, election result, scores in games, casualties, fatalities, price of goods, and ages of women make good news. Emotion, it also includes the various human responses such as the initiate desire, the universal interest, and the natural feelings. We have a kind of types of news stories. First of all, we have many types of news, that is crime news, historical news, online news, offline news. We asked all our respondents to select the 5 most important types of news as with last year. Domestic news is the most popular type of news, closely followed by international, local, regional news. Basically, in this, first of all, we have a straight news or hard news. Stories that report only the most essential information in a concise and impartial manner are referred to as straight or hard news story. This type of story typically follows the inverted pyramid style, which organizes information by descending or the importance or places the most newsworthy information at the beginning of the article. Example, hard news stories include those about political topics and the crime. Next is the feature news. The primary difference between a feature story and a straight news story is the style. A feature article is more in-depth than a traditional hard news article and uses the story types of storytelling devices and details that you might find in the novels. Next is the editorial. Although journalistic ethical standards call for journal news writing to be objective in content and tone, news writers also have the opportunity to communicate the personal point of view about current news events and the topics. If we are talking about the soft news basically that kind of news where we will talk about that a dog bites a man and in the bridge there will be a car accident hit by in the truck or some suicidal accidents. These are all including in the soft news. We have a historical news related to the traditionals. What kind of kings and queens are living there? We have some local news, report of events that take place within the immediate locality, national news, news that take place within the country, foreign news, news that take place outside the country, dateline news, news preceded by the date and place of origin or place where it was written or print like Tokyo Jan 20. Advanced and anticipated news published before the occurrence, sometimes called DOP or prognostication. Sport news, news that is gathered and reported on the spot. It deals with unscheduled information demanding immediate publications. Coverage news, news written from a given beat. Follow-up news, a sequel to a provision story. Next, we have a structure. Straight news, news that consists of facts given straight without embellishment. Its main aim is to inform. News feature, it is also based on facts, but it entertains more than it informs. In writing a news story, And the feature, the writer may give his impression, may describe and narrate, but without reporting to biased option. Single feature or one incident story. The story deals with an isolated event, several feature, multiple angle or composition story. Several facts are included in the lead according to their importance. In the next, we have some fact stories. This is a plain exposition setting for a single situation or a series of closely related to facts that inform. In writing the news story, we firstly have to describe about the inverted pyramid style. In there, we have a lead, body, and tail. In the context of the lead, we have to know about the properly structurized the 5 W's and 1 H. In the 5 W's and 1 H, we have to maintain a what, where, why, who, when, and 1 H is how. Firstly, we have to full knowledge about where this happening is done, what this kind of event can be happened, where it is happened, why it is happened, and when. And most of it, the very important part is how. What kind of peoples are indulged in it? Who is the chief guest in the event? And what kind of information they can be delivered to the audiences? So these all kind of information we have to know about all writing in it in the 5 W's and 1 H. Otherwise, if we don't have any kind of the 5 W's and 1 H, we never know about the whole kind of story and the news. In the body, we have to proper structurization of the 5 W's and 1 H, and in the lead, we have to write the eye-catchy headline with the help of 5 W's and 1 H, because nowadays nobody have a time that they open the newspaper and read your whole news story. So we have to write a lead like that. It will catch the audience toward our, and after reading the whole lead, reader can know about the whole incident. Next is the action story. A narrative of actions involving not mere simple facts, but also of dramatic event, perhaps testimony of witnesses as well as explanatory data. And in the tale, we just have to write about how many peoples, what kind of participations, what kind of award ceremonies, like that. Because a tale part is very less interesting. Similarly, in the kinds of the elements of news writing, firstly, we have to know about the skills of writing. There we have to know about the 7 C's. clarity, context, continuity, comprehensive, concise, correct, and communicate. So similarly, in this, we also have to knowledge about the writing skills, about the language, spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, language command. We have to know that in which language we are perfect, rather English, rather Hindi, or rather Punjabi. Because our newspaper are writing in the whole languages. And we have to know about the question. If we are writing in the interview sections, so we have to know how the question will be right there. Because in the interview sections, we have to write about that. After reading the section, we just have to visualize in front of our eyes that, okay, this kind of incident can be happened there. Otherwise, it's just like a read and just throw the newspaper. We don't have to do like that. Because news is a very important, I'm telling you firstly, without news, we can't do anything. Similarly, we have to indulge in it. Basically, a news article is just like that, where firstly we have to reporting. One of the most fundamental differences between journalism and other forms of writing is the way journalists obtain the information they write about. Journalists obtain information through a variety of reporting techniques, which can include interviewing sources, looking through government documents, reaching old articles, and firsthand. Good news writing begins the good, accurate reporting. Journalists perform a public service for citizens by presenting truthful facts in honest, straightforward articles. Basically, a journalist commonly uses the values to determine how newsworthy a story or element of a story are. Knowing the news values can help a journalist make many decisions, including what information to give first in a news article and in the lead, which articles to display on a newspaper's front page, what questions to ask in an interview, timeliness, proximity, prominence, uniqueness, oddity, impact, and the conflict. Basically, libel is defined as the published defamation of a person's character based on misleading or inaccurate facts. Newspapers reporters can often run into issue or liable because it is their job to write truthful articles about people that might not always be flattering. Even though we live in a country with a free press. Journalists can write anything they want. Reporters don't have the right to state something about a person that could damage their report, and there is untruthfulness. One of the easiest way to protest oneself from libel is to make sure to always do accurate reporting and to attribute all information is in the article. Reporters and editors make their decisions by weighting the news values of all the facts or stories available each day. Stories with greater news values for readers get written, and those stories with greater news values and others are published in the paper. These are called the news determinations. Basically, we also know about the frequencies, threshold, unambiguity, meaningfulness, consonance, unexpectedness, continuity, and the competitions. Here, a lot of these appear to be a fairly obvious to say at least, but you will need to think about them and refer to some of the points in your exam in relation to the evaluation of your practical task and its relevance to audience. Basically, in this, objectivity presupposes that the reporter presents the reader with all sides of an issue, presents all the facts, and allows the readers to decide what these facts mean. And all news stories must be respectful and represent the factual events and the personalities. The news values of a story is defined in terms of the interest it carries for an audience, is determined by degree of change it contains at the relevance that changes has for the individual or in the group. In the next, we have a speech report, a news story usually written from a public address, talk, and speech. Court story, speeches, statement, and letters are recorded as court stories. All are based recorded information, either written or spoken. Interview story, a news report written from an interview also. In the context of the content, that is routine story, celebrations, enrollment, graduation, election stories reported year in and year out. Police report, accident, fire, calamity, crime stories, etc. Next, we have a science news, developmental news, and sports stories. In the science news, we will talk about the new scientific invention, new kind of treatment, new medicines, new injuries, and these all are included in the science news. Next is the developmental news, which area can be developmented or which area in under development or under developing, that is. And in the sports stories, recently T20 Indian Mumbai or Mumbai Indians are held in the Mumbai. These match are started, and this is an example of the sports stories. So thank you so much. I hope you clear about the all context of the elements of writing news. So thank you so much.